let me tell you, actually it's been, what, 5 months since I have been able to upload a video to YouTube, and for obvious reasons, we have a new addition to the family. We have just been super busy just adjusting to life with a toddler and having this little man in our life. So I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of you who have continued to support me. I just appreciate you more than you will ever know. So today we are doing a little bit of cleaning and some fall decorating. So let me go ahead and turn around and introduce you to this little man here, and we'll get started.
Say hi. Hi, baby brother. How are you? You're so happy. So world, I'd like to introduce you to Leonardo Nicholas, also known as Leo. He is a sweet, happy guy. He is just a little over 5 months old, and we love him. He's a happy baby.
Happy baby!
Hi, baby brother. Hi. And here we have my fall decorations box. Peter brought it down from the attic for me. Can you see what I had to do here? Do not throw glass, fragile, do not throw. Yes, that happened last year. Luckily, nothing got broken, so we are good. I'll open this up after I get everything all cleaned up. All right, y'all, first thing I'm gonna tackle this living room, which you can clearly see we live in this living room. Like, literally. Everything's straightened up for now. We're leaving the blankets down because little man has been doing his tummy time and rolling around and trying to scoot. And I wanted to show you guys too. I don't know if you're into antiquing or like antiques, but we are in this house. We have been visiting this thrift shop on the weekends, and we found this awesome, I don't really know what year it's from. It looks like it could be from the 50s possibly. It's a toy box, and we love it. What?
Go.
Today leftovers. This is a taco bake that I made a few days ago for dinner, and it's basically like taco lasagna. So how do you know you're a 90s kid? Whenever you are 34 years old and you own Lisa Frank notebooks. What are you doing? Are you being silly?
Yeah.
First thing I'm so excited to share with you guys, I'm so excited, I've actually had it up for a few days now, are these multicolor pumpkins that I got off Amazon. There's a black, a light blue, a turquoise, a coral, like a soft green, and a white. And these baskets I found at Aldi for $10. It was 2 of them for $10. And I thought it would be perfect for a centerpiece for our table this year for fall. Just very simple but fun. And I don't know if you can tell, the stems of the pumpkins are like a brushed gold, so that's really pretty. And these are all the extra pumpkins that came along with it, so we're going to use these to decorate around the rest of the house. And after fall, I'll be able to use these baskets for in the pantry to organize, or wherever else that I can find use for them. So let's go ahead and pull out the rest of our fall stuff. Out all my fall decor. This is everything I've already had from before. The only thing new are these new pumpkins that I just showed y'all, and then these I got last year. So let me go ahead and show you real quick. How cute is that? There's salt and pepper. And then I have my glass pumpkin, which I got at Target a few years ago, and I usually put twinkle lights in here, so that's really fun. And these are glass or porcelain or whatever they are, little white pumpkins. And I have orange pumpkins. I've got all kinds of pumpkins. We just do like a harvesty theme here. And then I have this little sign I got from Target a few years ago. I have my outdoor welcome to our patch sign, which I'll put outside later. Well, that is pretty much it. So we are going to go ahead and decorate for fall.
I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me, I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book. I'm moving along from somebody wrong, so go ahead. Tell me all the ways you miss it. How you want me back in your bed. But I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me on my own.
Alright y'all, well that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I'd love for you to join my YouTube channel. And definitely drop down in the comment section and say hello. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.